can just brush it in. I'm going to lighten this area here. I want her dress to stand out a little bit more, so I'm going to just brush in some of that curve, or I just lightened it. So using the white brush, I am just brushing it into that adjustment mask. There we go. So now there's a little bit more detail standing out in her dress. I have endless options as far as opacity of my brush that I'm painting it in with, as well as the opacity of the layer itself. So I'm just lightening it a little bit. Because it's an adjustment layer, I can change it, I can darken it, I can make it however I want. So I'm taking a look at my before and after. I can continue to tweak that color of the chair. There, I like that blue, looks a little bit nicer. So now I've got it on blue. And once I'm happy with the color, I'm going to just go back over it with a small brush and make sure that it's really painted in properly. Some of these areas you got to concentrate on a little bit just to make sure that they're really clean. Make sure your edges are all lined up nice. Just in case you missed anything. And again, we can keep it at full opacity, or we can just paint it in a little bit at a time at a lower opacity. Making sure that you don't go onto the skin at all or the dress. So that looks a little bit funky with that blue color, so we'll just maybe keep that at 50%. There. So it's kind of neutralized. That's looking really nice. Just crop the side in a little bit, change my layout. Need so much room at the top. I'm going to just change the composition a little bit.